Gino Pettis Adventures. I'm still Gino, still my adventures. This is for you. If you need to buy wood, lumber in Colombia, this is the way to do it. We're at the resaw place in Mogotes. We had to drive an hour to get here. You can't drive to Home Depot or Lowe's and have them load your truck. You got to come get it resawed, buy it, have it resawed, and take it to where you're working. So here we go.
La viga la de 8x14, ¿cierto?
Este va en el de 6x14.
Y este.
Y en la grande pues esa pues también hasta le podríamos hacer, pero entonces me toca darle la medida exacta porque esa sí va por ambas puntas.
Sí, eso le iba a decir.
Entonces así ya toca antes de que yo le doy la medida y que para que usted le haga la figura aquí.
Just so you'll know, it's cheaper in the country. Here we go. It's a nice place.
Incluso ya compré un ¿cómo es? De color compré para las bases de una casa y quedó muy oscuro, quedaba negro.
There's some really nice wood. Una sonrisa, porfa.
No,
una sonrisa.
Compré.
Gracias.
Lo llevé para la casa para pintarlas.
So this is basically what they do, is they get a big chunk of wood like this, and they make it into smaller stuff like this. This is machimbre. This is machimbre, no? And you got some pine here. And then some cedar. So there's, this is Home Depot's wood department.
Yo le mando la turca a mí.
So basically, this guy's a resawer, and he buys lumber, resaws it, and usually by the order. People know him and order, well, I need so many board feet of this, or I need so many board feet of that, and that's what he does. So he makes his living here. He's got his wife with him on the saw. He's got another lady over here, I don't know what she's doing. Looks like she's working on painting a motorcycle. Anyway, just thought we'd bring you to the country today to see what you thought. So the deal is also, you can't go to Home Depot, you can't go to Lowe's. This is a way you buy lumber for your house or whatever you're building in Colombia. And I don't care, well, I guess maybe in the big cities there's probably lumber companies, but this is pretty much el poquitero, and so it's all good, man. It's gonna be a short video because sawing wood is short. We got Don Nestor and Jose Luis checking out the lumber. Young man. Well, there we go. Lumber is pretty scarce in Colombia because they've just overcut it, I guess. I don't know. Anyway. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If nothing changes, nothing changes. You know that. We will see you where? on the flip side. God bless.